traffic. This is how you make your aura down, man. Like literally, that was not the moment I supposed to die. I think there is some problem with clutch. The clutch is kind of far away. Like you can't get enough power if the clutch is slightly thrown down. Like to get the bike going. It's raining? Is it raining? Or just trees? I think they are the trees. Give me space. What happened? Oh, fuck, our body celebration, man. I have to go this side. Thank you. Oh, there's a water. And definitely not a great idea on water. Yeah, go die. Why this truck is in the middle of road? Arey go, macha. Enough is space, just go. I think poor guy broke down in the middle of road. Even telling people to pass. Same thing. Previous home starts at what? 1.8 CR. Oh, so cheap it is. After looking at this kind of price about Bangalore properties, I really believe that the guys who were in Kiora asking if 1 crore is enough to live or not, and is not. Can't accelerate? Not your fault. You might forget to buy brain from a car showroom that they don't sell actually. Sorry, if you see me overtaking auto, I have no respect. So nice, man. And one of the reasons I don't even want to ride in like daytime, because nighttime it can be so bad. And look at these potholes, man. Daytime is more visible, but yeah, it's better than handling people appearing for no reason. That too very surprisingly, like out of nowhere. That's boom. You are there, and you are just about a second away from your death, or maybe a bad crash, if not death. But potholes are kind of slow. Yeah? Once they create, they stay. They stay for a while. So you can remember which spot you can spot a pothole. And then you can try to avoid it. It's raining. Nice. To keep clean my lens. This fuel place. Maybe CNG. Oh. We are at CNG place with a bike. So right now, this is how beautiful the rain looks. Sorry, bro. I'm so close to my gym right now, like so close. Like couple of kilometers remaining. This the story behind every delivery guy. Look at this. I'm waiting in this place. This is mostly a commercial area, so hardly any people live here. But look at this, how many riders are struggling through this rain and just to deliver food. And a few people who don't go even downstairs to collect their parcel. They call them up third floor, fourth floor. Please try to be respectful. Learn how to do things for yourself. So as you can see, it's raining and I love rains, but in a very particular moment, not always. So this is not a situation I want to. At least this road looks pretty nice. I'm getting the best mileage today while going back home. Even the route is slightly shorter, I guess, not so 100%. Like it's just 7 kilometers or something. The route I usually take is like 9. The additional bonus 20%. Okay, there you go. There's no relaxation from this water logs, man. Okay, there are a lot of water logs. And I hope I'll be safely reaching my home. But again, not sure. I think I should keep my mic inside and forgot about vlogging today. I guess it's not worth losing a mic to mere bad rain, right? Oh, somebody have bumped into someone, I guess. Oh, nice parking man. Okay, I think I should stick on the higher side. I'm just listening to rain to stop completely. For another like 25 minutes it stop, then again rain, I don't care. I hate Himalayan. Look at the water, you can see, right? It's fucking spreading water above me. This is not supposed to happen. This should have improvised in the newer models like 2025, 2026. They haven't done it yet. And there's no other story like on the tail end. The same. The bike makes sure the rider get dirty. It has some obsession with mud. Of course, a vehicle supposed to be driven off roads, but this off. Okay, I have to stop somewhere. Then get it crazy. I have to keep everything